Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Macrox Engineering. Okay, so today we have to draw a velocity and acceleration diagram of slider crank mechanism. In the previous video lectures, we have already drawn a 4-bar mechanism chain. Okay, so today we start the problem. The crank of the slider crank mechanism rotates at clockwise at a constant speed of 300 rpm. The crank is 150 mm and the connecting rod is 600 mm long. Determine the linear velocity and acceleration of midpoint of the connecting rod, and second, angular velocity and angular acceleration of the connecting rod at crank angle 45 degree from the inner dead center. So this is the problem of the slider crank mechanism, which has rotates constant speed of 300 rpm in clockwise direction. Okay, the crank is 150 mm and the connecting rod is 600 mm long. Okay, so let's assume that OB is the crank and AB is the connecting rod. Then its crank RPM is given and BO is 300 RPM. Okay, so we find out the angular velocity of the crank omega BO is equal to, we know that twice pi NBO upon 60. So twice pi into 300 about 60. So we get the answer 31.42 radian per second. Now OB is length is 150 mm. So convert into meter. So is equal to 0.15 meter. And the AB is the connecting rod, 600 mm is equal to 0.6 meter. Okay. I have already mentioned velocity step of a procedure of the velocity and acceleration diagram. Okay. So let's start the problem. First of all, we have to draw space diagram, then after velocity diagram, and then after acceleration diagram. Okay, so this is the center line of this slider crank mechanism, and this is the IDC, inner dead center, and outer dead center. Okay, so we have measured a 45 degree. We have measured 45 degree from the IDC. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने एंगल मेजरमेंट कर लिया है 45 डिग्री. अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, फिर हम मेजर करेंगे. सो 0.15 उसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे इससे 0.05, यानी कि 3 सेंटीमीटर हमें लेंथ मिलेगी इसकी क्रैंक की. सूटेबल स्केल. सो हियर हमने ये फाइंड कर लिया 3 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है, ये भी लेंथ हमें ड्रॉ करनी है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 0.6 upon 0.05, इट मीन्स 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम बोलेंगे बी पॉइंट और इसको हम ओबी. ओबी इज अवर क्रैंक एंड दिस इज द ओमेगा बीओ इन क्लॉकवाइज एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द क्रैंक. फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी we make an arc here. Okay, and now join AB. So here AB is our crank. Okay, and we have to draw a slider. नाउ अब हमें क्या करना है, सबकी डायरेक्शन हमें ड्रॉ करनी है कि कौन सी डायरेक्शन में रोटेट होगी. तो हमें मालूम है इसकी डायरेक्शन कौन सी है, VBO is a perpendicular to link. Then velocity of A with respect to B, also downward direction. Okay, now and is the motion of A, velocity of A along to the axis of the mechanism. Okay. Now find out the midpoint of the connecting rod. 12 is our 6. So D is the midpoint of the connecting rod. Okay. So हमने ये find कर लिया. Now we have to draw a velocity diagram. Okay. So before velocity diagram, we have to calculate one value, velocity of crank. So velocity of B with respect to, it means VBO or VB, velocity of crank. So omega B is, we know the equation, the relationship between linear velocity and angular velocity. V is equal to omega into R. So now this equation we can write in terms of BO, crank. So omega BO into OB. So omega BO, which is already find out, 31.42 radian per second into 0.15. Okay, so VB or VB is equal to 4.713 meter per second. Okay, now we are taking scale of velocity diagram 1 centimeter is equal to 1.1 meter per second. Okay, now here, now we have to draw velocity diagram and follow this procedure. Okay, we have to follow this procedure. Okay, so first point from O, draw OB perpendicular to BO. Okay, so अब हम यहाँ से ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो हमने कोई एक पॉइंट ले लिया. Okay, which has name as draw vector OB perpendicular to BO, which is represent velocity of B with respect to O, VBO, which is 4.713 meter per second. So we get scale 1 centimeter 1 meter per second. So 4.713, we can take 4.7, 4.8. Okay, so we have here 4.7. Okay, so this is the vector B, which is represent velocity of B with respect to O. Okay, now from point B, draw a BA is perpendicular to BA, which is unknown, because here we know the direction but magnitude is unknown. Okay, which is represent velocity of A with respect to B. So now, so from point B, draw a vector perpendicular to AB. Okay, so we have draw approximately. Now from point O, draw a vector OA perpendicular to or parallel to, or sorry, not perpendicular, parallel to motion of A. It means velocity of A. They intersect at A. So this is represent B, vector BA represent velocity of A with respect to B, and vector OA represent velocity of A. Okay, now we know that, okay, they both intersect each other at A. Now find out the midpoint of the connecting rod. Okay, so now, so we know that here AB, D is the midpoint of the connector on the space diagram. So also BA, we measure a BA. Okay, so 3.6, so 1.8. So here we can Right, D. Now join OD into dotted line. Okay, so here this is the velocity of T, linear velocity of midpoint of the connecting rod. Okay, so this is our velocity diagram. Okay, so now measurement. And the scale, we know that the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. Okay, so BA, which is already first of BA, the 3.6 centimeter. OA is the 4 centimeter, and OD almost 4, which is also 4. Let's check again OA. Okay, OA is the 3.9, not 4. OA is the 3.9 centimeter. Okay, so put this value in the equation. So BA is a 3.6 centimeter. So scale is also 1. Okay, so velocity of A with respect to B, so 3.6 meter per second. Velocity of A, vector OA, so 3.9 into 1. So velocity of A 3.9 meter per second. Then BD is the 1.8 meter. Okay, so not importance of this midpoint. Okay, now velocity of VD, vector OD into scale. Okay, so vector OD is 4 centimeter and scale is 1, so 4 meter per second. So this is the velocity of linear velocity of the connecting rod, and VD is the linear velocity of the midpoint of the connecting rod. Okay, now acceleration diagram. So before start acceleration diagram, we know the radial component of the link AB and BO. So here radial component of acceleration of B with respect to O, or total acceleration of B, is equal to V square BO upon OB. So VBO, we know that 4.713 whole square upon 0.15. So we get that in Kelsey, so 148 into 1 meter per second square. Okay, now the radial component or radial acceleration of A with respect to B is equal to V square AB upon AB. So V square AB is a 3.6 whole square upon 0.6. So 3.6 into 3.6 divided by 0.6, so 21.6 meter per second square. Here midpoint, this is the extra additional step. We cannot need this calculation. Okay, हमें यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत, ये हमें कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, बिकॉज मिड पॉइंट स्पेस डायग्राम में जैसा मिड पॉइंट है वैसे एक्सरे में से उसके मिड पॉइंट सेम ही आएगा, कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होगा. ओके, तो हमें एक्सेलरेशन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें कौन सी वैल्यू चाहिए, रेडियल कंपोनेंट चाहिए और टेंजेंशियल कंपोनेंट चाहिए. बट हियर टेंजेंशियल कंपोनेंट शुड बी टेकिंग अ 0. इट मीन्स द टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ B with respect to O, I can write here, is 0, because the crank is rotated uniform velocity. Okay, the crank rotates at uniform velocity, so tangential acceleration is 0. So radial component become its total acceleration of b with respect to O. Okay, so let's start an acceleration diagram. So we are taking a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so acceleration diagram. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so let's make a point first O dash. So from O dash draw vector O dash P dash parallel to BO. BO के पैरेलल हम यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो उसका डायमेंशन कितना है 148.1 डिवाइडेड बाय स्केल 14.81. तो यहाँ पे तो नहीं आएगा, तो हम क्या करेंगे स्केल डबल ले लेंगे हम, यानी कि 20. ओके, so it means divided by 2, so 7.4 यानी कि 7.5 सेंटीमीटर हम ले लेंगे. Okay, so this is the radial acceleration of B with respect to O. Now from point B dash draw a B dash x parallel to AB. अब हम यहाँ से AB से पैरेलल हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो ये हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया. ओके, and its value is 21.6. इसका हमें कितना हमें मिला है, हमें यहाँ पे 21.6 divided by 20 divided by 20. So 21.6 divided by 20, 1.0, and it means 1.1 or 1. We can take a 1.1. B dash x. So B dash x, which is represented acceleration of A with respect to B. Now from point X, draw a vector x B dash or B dash x, okay, perpendicular to BX. तो यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे. whose magnitude is unknown but direction is known, perpendicular to BX. Okay, now from point O draw a vector O dash A dash parallel to motion of A. यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, सीधा हम यहाँ पे सीधा हम ड्रॉ कर देंगे. सो डे okay, so they intersect A. Now join A dash B dash. Okay, so A dash x is represent tangential component of A with respect to B, and this is acceleration of A. Now A dash B dash measure is a 4.8, so 2.4. Okay, so our midpoint of the connecting rod. Okay, so let's join. Is the acceleration of D. Okay, तो हम पहले क्या मेजर करेंगे, एक्स एस कितना है, एक्स एस एक्स इज ऑलमोस्ट 4.8 सेंटीमीटर. देन ओ डैश डी डैश 6.2. ओके, तो हमने ये फाइंड कर लिया. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसका मिड पॉइंट मैं पहले ही बोला आपको, इसे कैलकुलेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो नाउ लीनियर एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट. लीनियर एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट कितना, ओ डी एस 6.2 और स्केल कितना लिया 20. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे कि 6.2 इंटू 20, 124 meter per second square is our answer. Okay, now the angular velocity of the connecting rod. So V omega B AB is equal to VBA upon BA. So VBA, so not VBA, VAB. Okay, VAB. So 3.6 upon 0.6. So 6 radian per second, our answer. Angular velocity of the connecting rod, omega b is equal to 6 radian per second. Now angular acceleration of the connecting rod. Okay, so alpha ab is equal to ATAB upon BA, but ATAB is equal to vector x dash a dash into scale. Now we find out vector x dash a dash 4.8 centimeter into scale, so I think so 196. Sorry, what 96? 96. Sorry, 96 meter per second square. Okay, let's check again. We get 4.7. Let's have some doubt here. It's almost 4.8, 4.9. So we have here 4.9. So ऐसा होता है, आपके ग्राफिकल में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. So 4.9, so 98 meter per second square. So 98 by 0.6. 98 by 0.6, so 163.34 radian per second is our angular acceleration of the connecting rod. So here our example is complete. Okay, let's small recap of these examples. हम फिर से एक बार देख लेंगे कि हमने पहले क्या किया. तो सबसे पहले हमें स्पेस डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे हमें एंगल मेजरमेंट हमें करके इसका जो एंगल है वो एंगल के ऊपर हमें ड्रॉ करना है. 45 एंगल के ऊपर स्केल लेंगे हम 1 cm 0.05 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, वी हैव टू ड्रॉ OB as 3 centimeter. Then from point B we make an arc of 12 centimeter as per our scale. So AB is equal to 0.6, so 0.6 by 0.05, 12 centimeter is our answer. Then making a midpoint of the connecting rod. Then we draw a slider and draw the direction, so the direction of this all the links. Okay, then वेलोसिटी डायग्राम, वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वो हम फाइंड करेंगे। हमने फाइंड किया, यहाँ पे हमने एक्सेलरेशन डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया है, हमने वेलोसिटी डायग्राम प्रोसीजर फॉलो करेंगे। देन आफ्टर वी हैव ड्रॉ द एक्सेलरेशन डायग्राम। ओके, एंड अब हम सब वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे जो भी वैल्यू हमने कैलकुलेट किए वो सब वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे हमें रखेंगे और हमें आंसर मिलेगा। ये द मिड पॉइंट डू नॉट नीड। ओके, हम कर सके कब करेंगे, जब हमें पर्टिकुलर हमें दिया गया हो कि डी इज द पॉइंट एट द at least some distance from point O or from point B. At that time this equation are used. Okay, so do not need these steps. Okay, so again here do not need. Okay, okay, so okay, I hope you get it very well. Please subscribe my channel, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay fit, stay healthy.